Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. The Pomodoro productivity technique is a simple, easy-to-use technique you can use to increase your concentration and productivity. I'm going to break it down for you today in 5 very simple steps. Step 1, pick a task. Whatever the task is, whether it is big or small, pick one task. Second step, set a timer for 25 minutes. Use any timer you want. Use your alarm clock on your phone. I use an hourglass that I purchased on Amazon that has a set time of 25 minutes. I just like the visual element of the sand going through the glass versus having some digital output. Key here, pick the timer of your choice and set it for 25 minutes. And then work at that task until the time is up. You want to be uninterrupted. That is the key here. You're going to get into this flow state and it's going to make you highly productive because now you put a box around your 25 minutes. So make sure that you're not checking your email and you turned off all of your alerts. After 25 minutes, regardless where you are in the process, take a 5-minute break. Set your timer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, set your timer for 25 minutes and get back to that task. If you are doing a longer task, your step 5 is that every 4 Pomodoros, you want to take a 15 to 20 minute break. And that's going to give your mind a rest. Now, if you did a shorter task and you completed it earlier, awesome. Stop that task. Take a 5-minute break, or if you've done several of these in a day, take a 15 to 20 minute break and then start up another task. I use this regularly, especially when I'm writing or I'm doing a spreadsheet, whatever that is. If I have a task, it adds structure to the completion of that task for me. This is an awesome technique. It's super simple, and don't just take my word for it. There's plenty of science to back this up. A study published in the Journal of Cognition concludes short breaks help keep your attention span on track. The study lead and psychology professor at the University of Illinois, Alejandro Lieras, explained that the mind tunes out after working consistently on one project. In his words, when faced with long tasks such as studying before a final exam or doing your taxes, it is best to impose brief breaks on yourself. Brief mental breaks will actually help you stay focused on your task. Another study published in the Monitor of Psychology found that working for long hours on a task can reach a finale of cognitive boredom. This research confirms that such weariness in turn encourages an unengaged mind. Put simply, cognitive boredom takes a toll on your focus, but following a work pattern can solve this. That's exactly what this technique does. And if you want some more information on this, this is a form of time boxing. And we covered that in detail in episode 1 titled Time Boxing. Check it out for more information. Give the Pomodoro technique a try and you're going to find yourself doing more in less time before you know it. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.